In today's video, we are talking about the power of your mind. And I came across a post today of a shout out of Jim Kwik telling that it was National Brain Day in the US. And I thought, okay, wow, that's so good, because I know Jim Kwik as being the example, the brain expert, the mind expert when it comes to informing people, guiding people, empowering people through the power of your mind. Okay, this is great to devote this video to the power of your mind. So I'm talking about the mind, because I didn't know so much about the mind either. What I was using it for, actually, for a big part in my life, was actually repeating information. Repeating in the sense of, so you went to school, and then I just repeated everything. So that was available to me. I just repeated it, and then, you know, I had to work for it. And then, yeah, I knew how to work for it. So I had then, my grades were okay. So I went to university, and then I was experiencing like, you need to do something else with the brain. You need to, you know, use it in a different way. You cannot reproduce this information because it's too much out there. So I really had to learn how to reuse my brain and really reason and get from a place of there. So I took some more years instead of the usual years, and I was able to adapt to that. Only when I came in contact with Bob Proctor, I was introduced to the power of your mind. Bob Proctor, so he has been mentoring me with so much tools, teachings, implementations, and they are connected to using the power of your mind. So know that beside your heart, your mind is also the treasure. So your heart is a treasure and your mind is a treasure. And imagine what happens when you combine these two. People came to him and they said, you know, Bob, what you teach me, and this person was actually an expert on the field of the brain. You know, what you teach me is not known in my area where I'm active, and I'm a brain expert. And this is also what I experienced with Bob. So Bob has been active for more than 60 years in his field, so he knew so much about the mind, just so inspired by it that he devoted his total life to it. And once I understood the power of the mind, so our innate capabilities, the power that we have to our availability every day, again, is life transforming, it's life changing. So you all have a heart beating, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. And for every single one on the planet, your heart functions the same way, okay? Your heart functions the same way, more or less. Okay? And it's the same for the mind. So for every single one on this planet, how the mind is functioning is for everyone the same, okay? Depending on what your experiences are or your perceptions, you know, you might do something totally different with it. I'm not talking about that, right? So this is just the function of the mind is for every single one of us the same. And Bob just taught me how to tap into that and to show us that there is innate capabilities for us available, that there is innate power for us available. And once I got to understand it, because he shared so many valuable tools, implementations, knowledge, wisdom, experiences, once I was introduced to that, I was like, I cannot keep this to myself. No way that I'm able to keep this to myself. And you know, this is how I got to understand how you create personal freedom on any single level of your life. My voice just jumps because of that. Yes, it's true. So I knew, you know, I had to share this with people all around the world and empower them, because I am living high on people who are living their personal freedom. You know why? Because I experience it for myself. You know, I feel the power daily. And what is to your availability? and what you have as opportunities, just ongoingly. And, you know, this is, for me, the biggest reason to see you win, because I know how powerful it is. And I just want to share that with you, to empower you, to lift you up, to make you realize, hey, wow, this is available for me as well. Seriously? I never thought of that. And, you know, everything that I was taught by Bob Proctor on the level of the mind, is what I guide you through as well. And, so it's there for you. It's there for you. It's available. So when you have an open mind and an open heart, and you say like, hey, I'm ready, I'm going to do this, no matter what, just teach me what you know and I'm up for this, then reach out to me. Okay? Because, your mind is so powerful. And we have it to our disposal every single day. you know and I know you need to know this, and I know you want to know this. And if you say like, okay, see here, so what can I do with it? So yeah, you can support yourself, living your best life, living your desired outcomes. And when you say, okay, my dream life, yes, your dream life. So it comes to training and knowing how it functions. Okay. So, and if you say like, okay, see, okay, that's one bridge too far. Okay, let me just, okay, connect to what is important to me. Okay, what I can see right now. I get you. I understand you. It's, that whatever you say, like, okay, I would like to experience this and this and this and this and this, then I would be so grateful. I would be so happy. Then, then go for that first. Go for that first. Make it a reality, and jump further from there. So, it's out there. It's there, available for you, and I'm helping you with it. So this is why I knew. I jump in on this National US Brain Day to, share with you this empowering message, that you have this available to you as well. Okay. And you might say, look, okay, I'm not so powerful when it comes to using the mind, because I don't even remember what I ate yesterday. Okay, no problem. Let me help you with this. You know for sure a thing that happened in your life when you were 6 years old, 8 years old, even younger, 4 years old, that happened. And you experience it because it came through with a lot of emotion. Okay, so can you tell me then why it might be decennia ago and you still remember it? See, the power of the mind is available for every single one of us. So this is how I support you. This is how I guide you. And this is my blessing. It's truly a gift, a present, to be able to have been introduced to this material, and to be able to share this with the world. So thank you for being there. Thank you for your ongoing support. And when you say like, okay, Siege, this resonates with me totally, and I want to know more, then just stay tuned, engage with my content. Send a direct message on Instagram and Facebook, and stay connected. Okay. And I'm sharing masterclasses, I'm doing courses, programs, and I want you to win in life. That's it. I want you to win in life, and you've got my support, just making this happen. All right. So if you think I shared anything valuable, then give it a thumbs up, drop a heart, and share this with friends and family of which you think, hey, they need to know this as well. This is way too powerful. I get it, because it absolutely is. And subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell sign so you get notified every time a new video comes out, because I am dedicated to get you so clear on your inner voice that you will be guided together with me to create your personal freedom, so you can become your true self. That's it. Talk to you very soon. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Bye.